Hey guys, it's Tajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing Spooktorial Season 4, Episode 3. I'm really excited for this video because, listen, I always say that because I'm just so excited for Spooktorial season. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing an Ursula, a Glam Ursula makeup tutorial. I'm so excited for this video. If you want to see how I achieve a Glam Ursula makeup tutorial, grab your little seashell, get ready to steal some voices, and just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first is eyebrows. And for eyebrows, I usually use powders for my eyebrows, so I'm just going to take this little darker powder, and I'm first just going to fill in my eyebrows. Okay, and I know they look a little bit messy. It's because I was trying to debate if I wanted to do like a little like upward like motion or whatever with them, but I think I'm just gonna leave them, and I want this to be glam, so I don't think I'm gonna like do like a really high arch or anything. I was debating on blacking out my eyebrows, but I don't think I'm gonna do that for this look. So now I'm just gonna conceal my eyes with the CC Beauty palette, and I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows with this, just because that's kind of the color of that I want the eyeshadow to be. Now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and I'm going to take the first blue shade on a BH Cosmetics tapered brush, and I'm just going to start blending that into the crease and also like winging it out on the outer corner. Really quickly, actually, before I continue with the eyes, I'm just going to take my eyebrow brush, and I'm going to take some of that black from the palette, and I'm going to darken up my brows because her brows are really dark. Now on that same tapered blending brush, I'm going to take the second blue from the palette and put that into my crease and my outer corner, and just make sure that's nice and blended out. Then just to continue darkening this up on a M504 brush, I'm going to take the third and the fourth shade of that blue and put it in the outer corner and into the crease. On that same brush, I'm just going to take the black and make sure it's tapped off a lot, and also I'm just going to blend that out and put that into the crease just to darken this up some more. And yes, that is giving the exact darkness that I wanted. Now I'm going to take the Beauty Bay EYN Bright palette, and I'm going to take Lagoon, which is like this beautiful icy blue shade, and I'm just going to take that. I'm going to put that on my lid. So now that I'm done with the eyes, look how beautiful they look. I love it so much. So now we're going to move on to face, which obviously we're going to be using a purple. So we're going to move over to another like cream painting palette, and we're going to use this Athena one. And in this palette, we're going to use this purple right here. We're just going to put that all over my face. Now I'm going to take some white from the CC Beauty palette and just put that under my eye, my nose and forehead, and also on my chin. I'm also going to take some and put it like under my cheekbone. And then with that same sponge, I'm just going to blend it out. Even though it already has some purple on it, that'll help bring it all together. Because this is so dark, I'm going to take a little bit of black and just contour with that. And I'm just using the same brush that I used to like apply it to my face. and that really just helps blend all these colors together. Also using the same sponge. Obviously, if you like, after I go in with the sponge with the dark, I'm not gonna go back in like over the light parts, because that would obviously ruin the light parts, because now there's black on this sponge. And now I'm gonna set my under eyes and my entire face actually with Airspun powder. Okay, and now taking the Alexis Stone palette, I'm gonna take the lightest purple in that palette on this BH Cosmetics brush. I'm just gonna tap it under my eyes. Just to lighten it up some more. I'm gonna put some on my chin. Basically everywhere I put that like light, like brightening shade. I don't know why I'm using quotation marks. That's literally what it is. Okay, and I'm gonna take the darkest shade from the palette and a little bit of the black and just contour with that. Oh, and I'm using that on this stippling, Real Techniques stippling brush. What I'm gonna do is a wing liner. So now let's do our under eye. So basically we're gonna take this brush that comes with the ABH palette, and we're gonna take the flat side and we're gonna take the darkest blue, and we're just gonna put that under my eye. And now for lips, I'm gonna take eyeshadow to like line them with. I'm gonna take Cherryade from the Beauty Bay palette. Okay, now I'm just gonna add a beauty mark right here under my lip, and I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash, and I'm gonna put on my little necklace thing, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. So I'll see you guys in a second. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you recreate this look, please tag me on all my social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be linked down below for your convenience. If you liked me, if you like this video, then please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year. It's kind of a big goal, but I feel like we can do it if we just stick together. So yeah, this is the finished look. I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think. I'm trying to think of something to say besides poor unfortunate souls. Obviously this is episode 3, so if you want to watch the previous episodes, those will all be linked down below. They will also be in the eye. If you want to watch the previous seasons of Spooktorial, those will also be linked down below, because I think they're really good. Obviously I'm a little bit biased, but watch them, all of them, and let me know what you guys think. If you hate them, comment that you hate them. If you love them, comment that you love them. If you're like so about it, comment I'm a little so about this. But if you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. Like I said before, all that good stuff will be on the screen, also linked down below. Please subscribe, turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. If you like spooky videos, like I said, subscribe and just stay tuned, because all October we're doing Spooktorial, which is like spooky Halloween type videos. So yeah, and I would love to have you. I would love to have you in my part of my family. So yeah, please subscribe, and I love you guys, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.